Hello guys, my name is Sweat and we're going to do a strawberry milkshake. You're going to need these ingredients: strawberry, of course, a cup, if you want straw, no, ice to make it like cold, and milk, and a little bit of sugar. So we're going to put these ingredients in the blender right here. So all you just got to do is turn on the blender, of course, open the cap, do a little bit chili. And I got the rice. Oh, I got stabbed. And finally, the sugar. It put a lot. Okay, now. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna pull the milkshake inside the cup now. What's up? I have that ice. Oh. Oh, tell me so. And there you have the strawberry milkshake.